Well, hello YouTube. This is a little red grouper we just caught. He's a pretty thing. I mean, he is beautiful.
Kiss him, George.
He's what you call a beautiful red grouper. Of course, it's aboard a Wake Up. And as you know, everybody around the world, GrouperPro.com, that's us. And this is what we do. We catch red grouper, gag grouper, Goliath grouper, Yamama grouper. We're into the grouper business here. So all for fun and fun for all. So this is Captain George aboard the Wake Up, and we're just getting started out here. We found a brand new spot. It's going to be called Real Fish. We're going to mark it on the GPS as Real Fish, because this is where we caught a lot of grunts, and we've got a beautiful, you haven't seen it yet, I got to show it to you. I got to show you the beautiful lane snapper. He's in here.
That's Shirley McLean.
Yep, Shirley McLean lane snapper. This is one of the most delicious fish in the ocean. Oh, I can taste it now. I just want to take a big bite. So let's get him back on the ice. And man, we're having a great time out here. It's March something or other. It's St. Patrick's Day. That's what I'm talking about. There's First Mate Teddy. He's hauling them in. I don't know how many fish we got today, but we got a bunch of them. So we got to get back to business here.
Yes.
Big baits, big fish. GrouperPro.com. Stay tuned.